Today we're taking a look at this outfit by COOFANDY. Absolutely love their clothing. I wear a ton of it and I just really like it. So we got a linen shirt right over here and we got a pair of shorts. I'm going to walk you through all of it, tell you everything you want to know. Is it machine washable? It is machine washable. It could be worn for many different occasions. I could see wearing this kind of just going out to a restaurant. I feel like a casual party would work for this. Everything fits pretty well. So I'm typically an extra large. I always size up with them, and that seems to work. These were both run through the dryer before making these videos to get out all the wrinkles. So it already went through the dryer, no shrinking, no pilling or anything like that. Their stuff always fits really nice on the arms as well. This does come in different colors as well. You do have a collar over here. You'll see this is a button-down shirt, but the buttons are kind of hidden right inside over here. So you can see that. So you could, if you have to go somewhere that has a button-down shirt and a collar, you would be able to do this. If they're giving you a hard time, I guess you could show them like that. Let's move on to the shorts. These do come in different colors as well. I always like how they have the drawstring right over here. And they always put like a nice little, I would say like a wooden, I don't know, decoration over there. So I really like the fact that you could do that. You got two pockets right over here. We got a pocket back here. I have my phone in this pocket, so plenty of space for that. My wallet right over here could easily go in there. Still plenty of space in here to get whatever you need. Both are super comfortable, very breathable, which I enjoy. I do not like to be hot. These are very cool, very lightweight. You can see it has a little stretch to it, not too much. The shorts do have elastic, so you can kind of pull them out. You need a little adjusting. And again, you have the drawstring. These do not have belt loops, so just note that. And there is no zipper on this. It's just a pair of shorts like this. This shirt, I am wearing it untucked right now. I could see wearing a pair of khakis and tucking this in. It really just depends. But if you're looking for a great outfit that's super comfortable, washes well, could go in the dryer, and is super lightweight, breathable, comes in all sorts of different colors, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.